What an insane place. Honestly, I gotta tell you, Albania is just looking more and more like the best place to have a little base. All right, yo, so we castle bound. Looking forward to this, but they say it's better preserved than Berat, so this should be really cool for us. Përshëndetje.
Përshëndetje.
Amerikanski.
Amerikan.
Yeah. One of the most is going to do justice of how beautiful this is. Like, surreal, guys. It's absolutely surreal place. Like, just surrounded by mountains and fog. I mean, Albania literally is a paradise. I realized I didn't film the Airbnb in Saranda. For that, I apologize. It was nothing that special. It was a pretty legit little 2-bedroom. I'm going to start reaching out to my Albanian contacts and trying to find out a little bit more about the surrounding market, because that place is special for sure. But guys, this place is special in an entirely different way. This is a seriously ancient place. Look at this. I mean, this is just so crazy. I cannot get enough of Gjirokastër. The part that's so crazy, guys, is we're right next to, I think it's called Lazarat. It's the town where the villagers were fighting off the cops with like grenade launchers. It was like the #1 marijuana producing village in all of Albania, and it was like a massive raid to shut the industry down. My Albanian friend said it just broke, basically it was like breaking up a monopoly, because it didn't really stop like marijuana, but it broke up like this one village's monopoly on the whole industry. It was really pretty wild story. You should definitely look it up. That's right next to where we are now. So this is the nearest city, and that would be like a, I guess like a satellite village. So I mean, there's definitely a lot of layers to this place, man. It's super heady. I definitely think you could come out here and spend at least 3 or 4 days. And like Berat, imagine if you just found yourself a monthly and just stayed out here for a month or two and just went hiking every day. I mean, this would be such an insane place. And you're really not far from Saranda either. I mean, this is like an easy day trip if you're living in Saranda, or if you were just like doing some rural stuff out here, you could go off to the city anytime you want, really. Southern Albania is just the most insane place I have ever seen. This is just a totally crazy place. I love it so much. I am so in love with Albania, man. Like, I'm really glad we decided to come here from Vietnam. I know at some point I will have to go back to Asia, but I think this may become my home base. I think I might actually try to cop a little property out here and maybe have my own little Airbnb thing going while we expand the Albania service. But I do need to see a few more places first. But once we raise a little bit more money this year, I'm thinking that Southern Albania is going to be the spot for us to have a base. I've been hearing like real wacko shit about Costa Rica, which was one of the places I was really considering also. But they're doing a lot of this like mandatory vaccine stuff, and they're being a little bit insane as well with fines for people who don't adhere to it. Because I'm in all the expat groups, guys. Pretty much you name it around the world, I'm in that expat group. And honestly, I gotta tell you, Albania is just looking more and more like the best place to have a little bit of base. It's just not insane here. Like, the reaction of the government is not over the top. You're still very free here. Life is still very normal here. So I think this is really going to be the place, man. I do plan to travel more and see more, but you know, I could probably afford to get a condo in Saranda now. So, you know, I might wait a bit, try to make more, obviously, but this does not seem like this would be a horrible place to have a little headquarters. And, you know, I look at South America, but some places, they really want to know a lot about every dollar you make, how to get residency. Here, everything's a lot more easygoing, like, you know, and the lifestyle is pretty easygoing, and the people are good, and the food is good. And I mean, you can see from what's around us that the landscape and the activities and the lifestyle is just incredible. So, you know, more and more and more, I do want to chill in Turkey for a minute, but I'm really starting to think that this is going to be an ultimate destination for us. I really am loving Southern Albania, guys. I can't say enough good stuff about this place. It's just absolutely beautiful. Yeah, this place is surreal, guys. Definitely come check out the Gjirokaster Castle. Very much worth $4. All right, guys, I think this is the end. We've seen it all. What an insane place. I mean, you could definitely spend more time here just creeping around. There's so many little nooks and crannies. It's pretty incredible. Here's the Mish coming out of the shadows. There's a tomb up here. Yeah, those are the tombs, yeah. Wow, look at that. I guess that's closed off. Let's go take a look at the tombs. Jesus, guys, this place is crazy. You just got to take a bunch of edibles, come out here for a day. This is all you would need. Paradise. Medieval cities, old towns. Just insane nature, beauty, low cost. How can you go wrong? Yeah, here's the tomb. Okay, this is what I was reading about. From the Sufi faith. Sufi sect of Islam. Okay. Wow, cool. I guess those guys were pretty important. Ooh, we got some mineral water. If you guys don't know, you'll see this all over Albania. They have these springs that come down. I don't know if this one works. Maybe not. But people fill them up from the sides of mountains. I bet it's the same up here. You see it outside of Tirana by Deity Mountain. They'll line up just to fill up the fresh water. What do you think of when you think of Albania? I think of opportunity. I think of a country that's open. I think of a country that wants long-stay expats, that wants people to come and invest, wants new ideas, and is looking towards the West. I think that Albania is a beautiful country with incredible landscapes that can offer a very comfortable lifestyle at a very reasonable price. We will help navigate your journey to becoming an expat in Albania. We're working with some of the top lawyers. We can help establish businesses. We can help you get your residency. We can help you get real estate. We can arrange almost any contact that you might need for the process of moving here in almost any city in the country. We will simplify the process. We'll make it a lot easier for you to move to a country that maybe in the past would have been more of a challenge. With our help, it's going to be a walk in the park.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up. Check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start? You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true, you don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. We help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.